VIRB series, video editing on VIRB Edit. Before using a VIRB action camera, please pair supported sensors to the camera first. Start an activity on your watch. For sensors without buttons, please wear the sensor in order to start a connection. Enter wireless on VIRB. Select sensor. Add the sensor. If you have another sensor, select Add New to add more. After pairing is successful, you can turn on the camera and start activity. After recording is finished, use a transfer cable to connect VIRB to a computer. You can also remove the SD card and read it on a computer. Open VIRB Edit. Import photos and videos in the VIRB. Select Create Video. Name the video and start editing the video. Drag and drop clips onto the timeline. You can also drag files into the software. You can scale the timeline to view and edit more easily. In the editing panel, you can rotate, split, trim, or insert new clips. Double-click on a photo enables you to edit the duration of the photo. Next, enter G-Metrix panel. You can apply a template directly or choose a data type from the Gauges page. Simply drag it to the position you like. Click on the lower right corner to scale and rotate. Enter Appearance to edit the colors. Select Data to import data from reference or data that are not paired with VIRB. Select Import G-Metrix. You can also connect the device to the computer directly or drag or browse files on your computer. Check the data you need and select Use this log. Select the source for each data. Then click Find Gauges. Drag the gauge onto the video. In the Transitions panel, you can select the transition between each clip. Select soundtrack or titles to add music and text to your video. After you finish editing the video, click Export on the upper right corner. Set the video format and export location. Select branding. Select Export and your video is now complete.